Yes,
Okay,
I can
thank
hear
you
you.
for information. It helps a lot. And also the sharing of what they learn. This is new for me. And then I somehow I I somehow learn about the IEP and the BIP, and I want to know more. And because there was
Mhm.
lagging between during the conversation, so it would be very helpful for me or for everybody if we could have the how can I say, if we can link or or some, I don't know how to, some documents to so I can read more and more. That would be very helpful. Thank you very much. Thank you. It was great.